Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between two great mountains, there lived a wise old man named Bruno. He was the keeper of time, and people from all over the world sought his wisdom and guidance. In this village, time behaved differently. It was said that the mountains surrounding the village held a powerful magic, causing time to slow down or speed up depending on how the villagers interacted with it. Some days seemed to last forever, while others passed in the blink of an eye. One day, a young girl named Lily came to Bruno seeking his help. Her mother was gravely ill, and the village healer had told her that time was running out. Lily was desperate to find a way to slow down time so she could spend more precious moments with her mother. "Bruno," Lily pleaded, and pleaded. "Please teach me the secret of time. I can't bear the thought of losing my mother." Bruno, seeing the pain in Lily's eyes, decided to share with her the secret of time. Together, they embarked on a journey through the village. Their first stop was the village square, where a group of children played while their parents chatted nearby. "Look at them," Bruno said gently. "Notice how time seems to be moving quickly for the parents as they talk about their daily worries, yet slowly for the children who are lost in their games." "But why is that?" Lily asked. Her curiosity piqued. "Time," Bruno explained, "is not a fixed entity. It is a perception influenced by our emotions, experiences, and relationships. The key to slowing down time is to live in the present, cherish every moment, and be grateful for the time you have." As they continued their journey, they visited an old couple sitting on their porch, watching the sunset together. The old man leaned over to his wife and whispered, "Do you remember when we first met? It feels like only yesterday." Bruno turned to Lily and said, "For this couple, time has passed quickly because they have filled their lives with love and happiness." Lily thought about her mother and asked, "So how can I slow down time for us?" Bruno laughed and replied, "The secret lies within your own heart. When you truly cherish the moments you share with your mother, time will slow down for you." With newfound understanding, Lily returned to her mother's side, determined to make the most of the time they had left. She held her mother's hand, shared stories, and laughed together, allowing love and gratitude to fill their hearts. As they spent their days together, time seemed to slow down, and Lily was grateful for every moment. Her mother's health did not improve, but their bond deepened, and the memories they created were timeless. Eventually, Lily's mother passed away, leaving her heart broken. However, Lyra knew that she had made the most of the time they had shared. Through her grief, she began to understand the true nature of time. And as she grew older, she became a wise woman herself. God guides others on their journeys. The village continued to be a place where time danced and played, teaching those who lived there the importance of cherishing every moment. And so the legacy of Bruno and the wisdom of time lived on, passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the magic that exists within our hearts. Thank you for taking the time to explore this tale of love, loss, and the wisdom of time. If you've enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe to our channel, where you'll find more engaging stories to captivate your heart and mind. Until next time, remember to cherish each moment and live life to the fullest. And thank you for watching Anything is Possible.